Hello, so we are completing this paper, hopefully today. I should get through these. Let's have a look at 16. So y is inversely proportional to the square of x. So y, fishy symbol, 1 over x squared, which means y equals k over x squared. Y is equal to 2. So x equal to 5 gives us 2 equals k over 25. So 50 is equal to k. Find a formula linking x and y. So y equals 50 over x squared. And that should be done. Yep, that's it. Okay, expand and simplify. So I'm going to do these two first. X squared plus x take away 2. And I can do that just by sort of adding these two together to get the plus x, multiplying to get the constant at the end. And then we're going to multiply by x plus 1. So we get x cubed plus x squared, take away 2x. X squared plus x, take away 2. So we have x cubed. In here we have 2x squared. Minus 2x plus an x is minus x, and then minus 2 like that. And that's that one expanded and simplified. Okay, where have we gone? Screen's gone mad. Come on, concentrate. I want to get through these. Right, here's a sketch of a circle. It's got radius of root 45. Show that the tangent to this circle at the point -3, 6 has a gradient of a half. So -3, 6 is probably about there somewhere. And is that right? -3, 6. Yeah, tangent. So it will have a coordinate in there. So from 0, 0, and this is the perpendicular. We've got 0, 0, -3, 6. So if we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, we get 6 over -3, which is -2. And then we multiply by, I say multiply, we do -1 over m, which gives us 1 over 2, because -2 times by x will equal -1, and that's what we'll need to multiply by to get to that. So that's got a gradient of a half. Okay, happy with that? Sorry, just to be clearer, the gradient m times by -1 over m, which is the gradient for the perpendicular, should be equal to -1. Okay, find the equation of the tangent at the point -3, 6. So this is just y equals mx plus c. Y equals a half x plus c. Actually, I should put the 6 in there. And that's -3 plus c. 6 equals -3 over 2 plus c. So add that on, and that gives us 7.5 is equal to c. So y equals a half x plus 7.5. It doesn't ask us for any particular format, so that should be fine. Okay, the graph shows the speed of a vehicle during the first 40 seconds of motion. Calculate the distance travelled by the vehicle. So that will be the area. So we've got 15 times by 30 over 2. 15 times 30 divided by 2 is 225. That's in here. And then we've got 25 times by 30, 750. And the 750 plus the 225 is 975. 975, there we go. Okay, the graph shows the distance travelled by a particle over 6 seconds. Work out the average speed of the particle between 2 and 4 seconds. All right, speed equals distance over time. So from here to here, we've got a reading of 6, and then up to here, it's 24. 24 take away 6 is a distance of 18. And that's been over 2 seconds. So that's 9 meters per second. Estimate the speed of the particle at 4 seconds. Let me see if I was to draw a little tangent across. Like so. It's hard to do without that Surface Pro. With that Surface Pro working like that. So just going to go sort of, I want to pick two coordinates that are pretty close to it. And I've got one there. So that is 3.9 seconds. And that goes to 23. And then we've got 4.1. 4.1 is at 25. So in 2 seconds, we've travelled 0.2. Am I right? No, that's not right. It's 0.2 seconds. And it's travelled 2 meters. There we go. So 2 divided by 0.2. I'm going to say it's travelling roughly at 10 meters per second at that point. Okay, super. Right, solve this one. So x squared plus, we know what y is worth, so we're going to replace y with x plus 2 squared, and that's equal to 34. Expand and simplify, so x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 34. 2x squared plus 4x. I'm going to bring this one across now, that's going to make negative 30 equals to 0. X squared plus 2x, take away 15 is equal to 0. And that factorizes to make x plus 5, x minus 3. And therefore, x equals negative 5, or it's 3. We sub that back in. Negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 3, or 3 plus 2 equals 5. Negative 5, negative 3, 3 and 5. And that looks like it's the end of the journey. We've done. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed that. Please, of course, spread the word, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next paper. Bye-bye.